2023 Mitsubishi Outlander is a compact crossover, but it stands out as the largest and most expensive model in Mitsubishi's lineup. With a unique 2.5-row configuration, it can seat up to 7 passengers thanks to its folding third row. Under the hood, it features a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine shared with the Nissan Altima, coupled with a continuously variable automatic transmission. The Outlander also comes with Mitsubishi's renowned S-AWC all-wheel drive system, providing excellent driving dynamics. While the Outlander impresses with its driving dynamics, its design has received mixed reviews. Some criticize the front-end proportions, and the interior's textures may not blend well. However, the build quality and materials are commendable, especially with semi-aniline leather in the SEL trim. On the road, the Outlander's steering is agile, the suspension offers a comfortable ride, and the S-AWC AWD system performs admirably in challenging conditions. The driving assistance technology is reliable, making long highway trips more manageable. Passenger comfort is decent, with ample space in the first and second rows, but the third row is suitable only for children due to limited legroom and headroom. Despite its solid driving performance, the Outlander's weak engine and high weight affect its acceleration and gas mileage. The Bose stereo system delivers good sound quality, though there can be occasional issues with audio connectivity. The SEL trim offers additional luxury features, and there's a touring package option with more premium upgrades. In its competitive segment, the Outlander boasts the best-in-class payload rating, highest max cargo space, and impressive safety ratings. However, its fuel economy is not the best, and it can be one of the costlier options for AWD. While it may not win awards for styling, the Outlander's driving dynamics and warranty make it an attractive choice. Recommended trims include the SE with S-AWC for good value or the SEL Touring for those in colder climates.